YouTube fam, it's me, the three-wheel traveler, back again with another video. And this is my ambient lighting kit that I picked up off of AliExpress.com. Some two-sided 3M tape. Two-sided 3M tape. Some covers, some LED covers. A tool used to insert it, and it also includes this control strip. Now I got the one that plugs into the cigarette lighter. This is the on and off switch, okay, and it also comes with an app. And on the back of the control box, you'll have to scan that code, that QR code, and it'll take you to the either Android or Apple Store to download the app. So I got the kit that had, these are the the 4-foot well LEDs, and then it comes with 6 fiber optic acrylic RGB LED leads. Now you can already see that the way this system works is that those are the leads, and those leads provide the light, and you have to, inside of each hole, you will have to plug in, you'd have to insert the fiber optic acrylic light that goes inside each of the leads after you install those into your car. So that's my plan for today. I'll try to record my progress and let you guys in on this. In addition, this will be going onto into my.
Maybe it's a crime against the broader community, and I don't it's not like I'm saying I know how to.
This will be installed onto my PT Cruiser. This will be installed onto my PT Cruiser, my 2005 convertible PT Cruiser, and this is the turbo joint right here. Okay, I've been rocking this for the past couple years. I've posted other videos to where I ended up putting my tow hitch, and the tow hitch is primarily for me to carry my mountain bike. So my plan is to insert, and I have 6 strips, 6 fiber optic strips, and these fiber optic strips are right here. Okay, these are the 150 millimeters, and I originally bought for $35. I bought the 100 meter fiber optic strips, and they were not long enough to fit on the location where I was going to put them. So I spent another $25-30 to get just the 150 millimeter, and the 150 millimeter fits. I'd rather have it overfit than underfit. I can cut it. So put one on each door, one on the passenger side. I'm gonna put one strip around the center console, the other strip around the driver's dashboard, and I'm gonna put one strip around my stick. So that's what my plan is. So hopefully I'll be able to record all of this and let you guys in on it, and I'll let you know how it turns out. All right, this is the 3M tape This is a two-sided, double-sided 3M tape that needs to be put onto your strips, to your fiber optic strip. It's time consuming, so I'm not going to bore you with this. But what I'm working on right now is my inside. It's my inside door panels for my PG Cruiser. I've already got this one. Off, and I got both of the doors off, door panels off, and I have this strip inserted into that area right there. You see it coming out the end, and I put it in there. It's gonna go over there. This little piece right here will go through a little hole that I'm gonna drill with that drill bit right there, and then that's gonna be closest to the hinge of the door, so that I can put the LED lead to.
in 40 colors, wrinkle resistant, and get softer as you wash them. Amazon Toddler Toy Find. These magnetic digit blocks will provide your child
Lamps Plus. Home is your ultimate comfort zone. A place where you can be truly you. And now you can save up to 50% off on the nation's best selection of lighting, ceiling fans, and more.